Hey everybody, everybody's here. Hey, see what this right phone, my phone? That's my friends. It's the HD PVR2. This is what I'm hoping I would get in the future, and I finally came in the mail just today. As I tell you, this really paid off. Having my mom and dad out with their jobs and all that, it was completely worth it. Yeah, I still got $100 remaining, but I'm about to. Well, it's my first time, so it's my first time ever doing HGPVR2 unboxing. And I recorded this on my phone. Now I'm gonna say why. I said that why they don't know. And apparently, my phone don't got like a the face right camera do screenshots. So my phone, I'm not gonna be holding it all day long to you know unbox it, but I'm gonna do the best I can. So here we go. Oh man, I was so excited. I think it's probably best I can do this with my hand, right? Can I? There we go. Let the plastic out. 1 second. Come on, let's put some of this. Oh, there we go. Alright. Go some few parts. Do some more. Need another. Ooh, all this is promising. Okay. Which one to release? I don't know what that means, but hey, we'll see. Alright. Time for the big guys, so to speak. And here it is. The thing that I worked so hard for is finally here. Oh man, I gotta tell you, I'm really excited for this. Which is this will be now in HD. No, I'm not gonna use those annoying webcam programs. See, the thing is that it's too bad for me. My commentary skills won't be happening in this video. That's what I want. But that's what with me. I mean, we can keep Michael and Jerry entertained for my ticket for the episodes. As you can see right there, I got ticket for the scene of working on SmackDown. Oh man, look at this. This baby looks beautiful. Alright, so what do you say? Get started hooking it up. Alright, so right there. And again, I record this using my phone, so I'm gonna be off and on over here. Yeah, this will do. That's about it. There we go. Alright. All the parts are out. Well, let's see. Which one goes to the CD? I know one of them probably goes to the BBR, right? Okay. do have a sharp one that goes to the TV. It just goes to the PS3. Got the plug for it. Tuck this up. Okay. Alright, that was plugged in. What about this one? Ooh, spot. Did you got any of these? Hooked up to the PS3. Right. Oh, see, I found this one. I hooked it to the computer. Oh, I gotta maintain this somewhere over here. Huh, the spit will be on my game system. I need that game system book. Yeah, I kind of like represent this. See, I'm trying to find a better place to explore my phone so you guys can see what's going on. But again, of course, it's using my phone. I'm not a blogger. I'm going with a computer. Yeah, I want everybody to see the ancient BBR. Look at what that so far. 1 second. Alright, there we go. Oops. Plug down. Alright. Hold on a second, one more time. Okay, it's plugged up. Alright, got the plug hooked up. Now, what to do with these? Now, I said, let's see, okay, let's see here. HVR2, give me addition, because all cables you need to connect the Xbox or PS3, which means that this plug right here connects to the PS3, right? Excuse me. I just ate my snacks not too long ago before I started recording. There we go. Got that cord, or whatever that is, out. How do you do this? Somehow. Alright. This cord looks something out of the box. Look at this. Alright, one more time. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna hook this up. Let's see. Okay, guys, what's up? Now when we're starting, let's see what we gotta do next. Yeah, I think I gotta start to. I think I gotta start out wrong. Hey, it's supposed to go over here. Because the match is perfectly. What's the match? I try to find what's going on, you people. Hold on a second. One second, guys. 1 second. Okay, I'm looking at the instruction manual. And, let's see. What am I going to do here? Instructions on the back. What's the word? You're supposed to have like a CD or something in the box. Just inside the side. Oh, yeah, there it is. Alright. Okay, there we go. I found it. Bought by instruction manual guy. Sweet. Okay, there we go. Now I can see how to hook this up for the PS3. Alright, let's see. Da, 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 da. Let's see. Catcher, Xbox 360. Game console, Xbox 360. PS3. There we go. PS3. Alright, let's see. Okay, so what is it? What does that mean? For the audio. Oh, sorry. Okay, on the back of the game. That's what it tried to tell me. Honestly, I don't know what they're trying to tell me. I think they're trying to tell me that to hook this up to the back of the PS3. Okay, hold on. HL cable for the TV. It's supposed to be hooked up. Okay, yeah. Now I just gotta see. I just my first time doing this, so. Okay, so. Uh, wait. Okay, let's see. There's a cord, like right at the end. It's supposed to go to the TV, okay? It's supposed to go to the. I try to break it. Yeah. I try to break this. There we go. You gotta start doing stuff like that. Little records. Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright, so to the TV. Now what else I gotta do? Connect. Okay, let's see. If you use the PS3, you will use come on the video to record your gameplay. The PS3 has green, blue, red, let's see, green, blue, red, and white and red. Take this out. Let's see. Green, blue, white. Plug these color cables to the corresponding green and white and red RCA. Hook on that. So, I might gotta look this up. Oh, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Yeah, we'll start that. We'll do that later. We gotta find out. Now let's focus on the other things. First, back at it. PS3. Last second. Oh, oof. Oh, man, I just read it. Sorry right now. Okay. Look this baby up. Oh, hold on. Got a best friend. We did. Alright, let's. Oh, got a best friend, bro. Nation. Who I will give a shout out when I record my first video. Not gonna get on. The only I'm gonna tell you guys is gonna be an HIP EVR. I mean, me. Oh, let's see. Dave, congratulations. But Dave, we can't do a story 50 years around the corner. Use that BVR to your advantage. Like Korea Blood, and I'll help you if you need anything as always. By the way, don't let me take advantage of you because if you have a HBVR and they broadcast, don't. Just be careful. Thanks, Dave. Hey, excuse. Thanks, Nation. I'll be careful. Wait, what's this? Dave, I know you love the ladies here. Some do WWEs are celebrities slash Asian WWE celebrities and divas. I can't see it that close, right? Thanks again, Nation. Alright, here we go. I forgot how slow the computer can be at times, so. No. Alright, so we come on. Go away. Yes. Oh my god. This is why I hate guys. It just got to really, really. Yep, recommend it. Continue.